Hello, welcome to Saving Sweet William. This is a Greek house renovation channel run by myself and my partner Joe. Now in 2023, we bought this beautiful house on the gorgeous Greek island of Zakynthos. And since we launched our YouTube channel around about a year ago, we've had several people getting in touch asking where we found it and if there are any other properties available similar to this one. And the answer to that question is yes, there definitely are. So in this video, we're going to explore several options of properties that are available right now that you may be interested in looking at. Let's jump in.
Welcome to Zante, one of the most enchanting islands on the Ionian Sea. Known for its crystal clear waters, lush landscapes and relaxed pace of life, it's the perfect blend of natural beauty and authentic Greek charm. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a smart investment, Zante offers an irresistible lifestyle by the sea. Hi, I'm Joe. You know me from this channel, but I also run a business called The Property VA, and I've put together some properties that may be of interest to you if you're thinking of beginning your very own Greek adventure. Situated in the quiet seaside area of Sahu in Alikez, Zante, this charming detached house offers both comfort and potential. It spans 90 square metres with 2 bedrooms, a living room, kitchen and bathroom, all conveniently on the ground floor. This property sits on a spacious 1,200 square metre plot with a private garden, storage unit, fireplace and views of the sea. You're just 900 metres from the beach, within easy reach of the village, the town centre and the airport. Priced at €95,000, it's a well-rounded option for anyone looking to enjoy life on the Ionian coast. Welcome to this charming detached home in the peaceful village of Trigaki, on the Ionian island of Zante. This ground floor residence offers 70 square metres of living space featuring 2 bedrooms and a combined living room and kitchen, and a full bathroom. Additional features include air conditioning, radiator heating and a separate warehouse. Set on a 150 square metre plot within the settlement, the home is a pleasant stroll or bike ride from the beach, which is only 2 kilometres away. Priced at €100,000, it's a fantastic opportunity for a holiday home or investment. Nestled in the tranquil village of Volimes in northern Zakynthos, this charming detached home offers 45 square metres of comfortable living space. Priced at just €60,000, it features 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, an open plan living room and kitchen, plus a basement for extra storage. The traditional architecture and well-maintained interior make it ideal as a holiday home or rental. Enjoy stunning panoramic views from the veranda, over the hills, the village and the Ionian Sea in the distance. Just a short drive from the iconic beaches and attractions, this is Greek island living at its most authentic. Welcome once again to Volimes, a serene mountain village in Zakynthos, just 30 kilometres from the island's famous shipwreck beach. This charming 80 square metre maisonette spans 3 levels and offers panoramic views in a bright, airy setting. The ground floor features an open kitchen, living room and bedroom, while upstairs you'll find 2 additional rooms and a bathroom. There's also a small basement with a bathroom and laundry area. Set on a 58 square metre plot, this home is ideal for nature lovers and creatives. Priced at €79,000, it's a beautiful escape with real value. Welcome to the heart of Zante town, on the beautiful Ionian island of Zakynthos. This charming 47 square metre apartment is located on the first floor and features 1 bedroom, a bathroom and a bright open plan kitchen and living area. Built in 1998, the property includes individual electric heating, air conditioning and tiled floors throughout. Just 150 metres from the sea and 5 kilometres from the airport, it offers both convenience and coastal charm. Priced at €75,000, this is an ideal opportunity for a holiday home or investment in Greece. Located in the charming village of Macchiarado, this 109 square metre ground floor home sits on a 283 square metre plot and is now available for just €85,000. Originally built in 1957 and later expanded, the property offers 3 bedrooms, a reception room and covered verandas totalling 30 square metres. While it requires renovation, it has excellent potential to become a modern 2 or 3 bedroom home with open plan living, direct garden access and private parking. Just 8 kilometres from Zante town and 7 kilometres from the beach, this centrally located property is ideal for year-round living or investment. Welcome to Yalaro, in the heart of Zakynthos, where opportunity meets tranquility. This 55 square metre residence sits on a generous 1,000 square metre plot, offering peace and potential. With 1 bedroom, a level terrain and a remaining building allowance of 345 square metres, it's perfect for renovation or expansion. The location is ideal, just 9.5 kilometres from Zakynthos town, 10 kilometres from the beach and 12 from the airport. Listed at €95,000, this is your chance to create a personalised retreat in one of Greece's most charming island settings. Welcome to the wildcard of this week's show. This property is in the enchanting village of Kalamaki in Zakynthos, where rustic charm meets contemporary luxury. This stunning 2-bedroom windmill villa, built in 2023, sits on a vast 46,500 square metre plot and offers exceptional privacy with stone walls stretching 90 metres inside an open plan layout. Modern finishes and panoramic countryside views create a light-filled, inviting space, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Priced at €340,000 with expansion permits in place, this is a rare opportunity to own a distinctive property on the heart of the Ionian Islands. If you're interested in any of these properties, you'll find all the links and details in the description below. We're not affiliated with the estate agents or the properties featured. We're simply here to show you what kind of unique opportunities there are around this part of Greece. And if you're based in the UK and need support with your own property journey, take a look at my page, The Property VA. It's linked below, specialising in virtual assistance for property professionals and investors, offering tailored support to help you stay organised, save time and scale your business.
Hope you enjoyed looking at some of those properties. There were some incredible bargains there, wasn't there? Any questions, please drop a comment. All of the links to the properties that we featured are available in the description of the video. Really hope you've seen something in the show that might spark your imagination and lead you to living your dream life abroad. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now.